morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're going to look at reassembling your bow and all the pieces back together after you rebonded the bow to the windshield. And the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a good, nice, cured edge. We waited 48 hours, and now what we're going to do is we found this one issue that the windshield was proud on the co-pilot side. It's going to have to be sanded down, though easily a double bead seal could hide this. Now, the tools that we used during the bonding were the C-clamps to hold everything in place, along with the paper sticks that were cut into pieces and wrapped in tape to protect the windshield, and then the aluminum spacers that were nothing more than an aluminum angle iron that was cut into 1-inch pieces, drilled on one side and rounded on the other. And that's how we keep the windshield exactly 1 inch away from the bow during curing, so that they're perfectly parallel. You won't have any whistling. Now, we were, like we said, on the co-pilot side, the windshield was a little proud, so it had to be sanded down. So we used a rough grit, and we worked up to polished grits because we don't want to leave any crazed places for the cracks to start in the windshield. So we took it down and polished it very nice all the way to 1000 grit, and it's nice and shiny and very pretty. Now we're ready to finish the installation with the double bead seal, and here Clecos are your friend because they sure do make going through those holes and holding everything in place while you get the screws and nuts. You'll have to be reinstalling the sun visors, the booger bears, that little map-like clip, but you can get it all done, and when it's all done, it looks very, very nice. Now, the reason why this windshield was a little proud on the co-pilot side is because we did not completely unseal this windshield from the combing and all, because this is a 79 in beautiful shape in that area, and we didn't want to hurt that combing, so we left it in place and we did a little bit of sanding that might be required. So we hope you found this useful and informative. It's very easy to do, just take your time. Thanks for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman.